How is it going, you guys? This is Jelly again. I haven't been able to record for a little while because this is, by the way, this is Bob the Robber 2. I wanted to continue Earn to Die, but I may or may not have lost all my progress. So yeah. Finally, Bob can relax and read the newspaper. What is it? The city is in danger again. Looks like this other job for... Yep, whatever. I give up on reading. Wait, what the heck is this? That's so cool. I have no money. You could actually use the money for stuff now. Music's not as cool in this one. I already know that. It makes a really annoying noise. Where's like where's that weird like little laugh thing? And does he still have that same awesome lock picking technique that we saw before? Oh, that's so sweet. Better lockpicking technique. 70730. Still has the same store sound effect. Yeah, this is basically the first level of the other game then. What? Sweet. There's so much more interaction in this is what I like. No longer press and hold. That's cool too. I like that. This is a training robot imitating a security guard plus. Oh, it'll give you a timer too. That's helpful. Yeah. Let's just solve a little bit of time before he wakes up. Oh, come on. There we go. Wait, how? Okay, so I can get gadgets now, it looks like, because I have enough money. Let's be a squish. Hey, it's the same level complete thing. Sweet. Alright, continue. Let's go buy gadgets. So 100 make you faster for a short time. Best way to deactivate. Block pick. I might have to get that. And that's it. That was an accident. Yes. Wait, no, I don't want to do this. This is still the first level. Okay, so what is this? Oh, squishy. Alright, so looks like it's this green one. Can I re-knock him out like I can in the last one? Yes, I can. Jeez. Oh, jeez, please. in here. Oh god. Alright, so... What in the world? Oh, I have to... Oh my god, this is really difficult. Oh, my brain hurts. Okay, there we go. Sweet! That was awesome. Okay. Zoop. I love like they have like that confused look on their face. It's so adorable. Come over here a third. Oh yeah, I forgot I have this lockpick thing. That helped. Don't see me. Was that supposed to be the code? Oh. Jeez. 0160. Okay. 0160. Oh, seriously? Probably it's stupid that the alarm can't track that the door is open. Yet it can still... Yay, there's that creepy laugh. And time to bail. And also I might make this... Ah! Okay. I might lose this level, oh my god. Alright, wait for it. I'm gonna do my outro while I'm doing this home stretch. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. I like this game a lot. Make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Comment below what you want to see me play next, and that is it from away.